Great. In the previous session, we look at how to find the median of data type 3. That's trying to find the middle value, right? Because mostly in data type 3, we are dealing with classes. So we don't have the particular item um, being a single individual item, but it's a range of values. Each class is a range of values. So we need to actually get close to that value that is the middle, right? That's what we did for data type 3 in the previous session. So as usual, we are going to use this session to solve an example on how to solve a median using just a simple example like this one. Yeah, we are going to use this table, this simple. We have used this to find the mode before. By using the same data, we can find the median. Right? So we are going to use the same thing, trying to use the approach of finding the median of data type 3 to solve it. So then from the previous session, we said what we learned was that generally in data type 3 to find the median value, right? Um, yes, I think I have this. Yeah. So to find the median value, right? What did we say? So we say median is equal to um lower class boundary of the media class, right? Plus a particular proportion times the C, right? And we say the proportion is the half of the total frequency, right? Minus what? The sum of all the frequency lower than the media class divided by the frequency of the median class. Yeah. So this is the proportion, right? So we are just going to find the very first step is to find the median class. So if you add all these things together, the median class is you will get the total frequency. So sigma f to be equal to 119, right? But then we need to find the median class. So median class. So first let's fetch the median class. What is that? Um so to do that, we do the 119 divided by 2. So if I have 119 divided by 2, I'll get 59.5. So yeah, basically, let's say 60, right? Close to 60. So we got 59.5, but I'll be going in with 60 just to have a whole number. So if I have that, when I'm here, is 60, right? 60 minus 2, I'll get what? 58 before I move here. 58 minus 12. So we have 58 minus 12, we're having 46. So if you move next one to 46, before you move to the next one, 40, 46 minus 27. So it's 46 minus 27. You have 19. So we are coming to the next class with 19. But then when we are here, right, 19 is lower than 41. So definitely we need to stop here because yeah, we have to move 46 to 427. So 46 is greater than 27. So we have to subtract the 27 from 46 to get 19. But in this class, we see that 19 is lower than what we wanted to subtract from it. So we stop here. Right. So that our median class will be 25 to 29. This is our median class. So from our median class, we can fetch what? The lower class boundary. So the lower class boundary of this median class is what? So if you take is 25 and 24 here from the previous class, right? The ending of the previous class and the beginning of the current class. The difference there is 1. So that one, if you have that one, you get 0.5. So you basically do the 25 minus 0.5. So you have 24.5. So this is the lower class boundary. We solve question to find how to find to determine how to find lower class boundary. So kindly look at that. Yeah, so we now have our lower class boundary, right? Now it's left it the class size. Let's look up for the class size. So the class size, what did we say? Is going to be, because it is in the form of class limit. So we do what? Um 29 minus 25 plus 1. So for the class, it's going to be 29 minus 25 plus 1. And if you do that, you will get 5. So our C is equal to 5. We know our C. Now the next problem is to find the P, the proportion. The P is what? Half of total frequency, which we got 59.5, right? 59.5 minus the sum of all the frequency of all classes before the meaning all the lower classes. So the lower classes are going to be these guys. So I think we have 27 plus what we have here, 12 plus 2. When I say lower class, I mean all class before the median class. Our median class is this one. So we are trying to find the sum of all the frequencies of all the classes before that. So that's what we do. Divided by the median class, the frequency of the median class. So the frequency of the median class, this is our median class, and its frequency is 41. So we have 41. So if we do that, just put that in our calculator. So we have 59.5 minus 27 plus 12 plus 2. That will give you 18.5, and 18.5 divided by 41 give us, we have 0.4512. Yes. So this is what we have for P. So at the end, we need to find, now go back to the median, right? So our median, so I'll write median here, is equal to the lower class boundary is what? 24.5 plus the proportion is 0.4512. Then we multiply that by the class size, which is 5. Then we just put this in the calculator. So we have 24.5 plus 0.4512 multiplied by 5. Then this one will give us 26.756. So the median for this thing, as if it is not mentioned, you need to stop at 2 decimal place, right? So for at 2 decimal place, we have 26.76. This is the median for this data type. So you need to check that it should fall within the class, the median class. So the median class start from 25 to 29, right? 25 to 29. So what is that from 25 to 29? Then 26.76 falls within that value. Then yes, so that's the median class. So yeah, this is the solve example using this table to find the median. I hope you have followed the process, watch the previous video to understand how it's done, and then follow this example and solve more questions on your own to find in finding the median of data type 3. See you in the next session.